This video is sponsored by Osome. Osome is market-leading bookkeeping and accounting solution for e-commerce businesses like me and you as well. If you are an e-commerce seller, you sell on eBay, you sell on Amazon, you sell on Shopify, you know that the accounting and bookkeeping requirements that we have are a lot different than a traditional accounting and bookkeeping. This is where the Osome comes in. A link is inside the description. If you click on that link, you will get £100 off from Osome. Their app, which I will show you the demo for the app at the end as well. But first, let's go into this video where I want to talk about the importance of bookkeeping and the business management. I was listening to an interview by Jeff Bezos, and in that interview, he was talking about the things that they are planning for their Amazon business at the moment. This is something that they are going to implement 10 years later down in a line. Things which are happening now in Amazon, this is something they have planned decade ago. And that made me really think. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. In this video, I want to talk about importance of bookkeeping and accounting in your business. It can actually improve your chances to have a successful business. Bookkeeping for the growth and the business management, what are the benefits for this one other than being a legal requirement? Like, why would we even bother with this? So first of all, creating and managing the budgets when you have a business is something which is very, very important. You can actually forecast your future revenue and you can plan accordingly. If you have to buy a stock, you need to buy something major, you know exactly what is the best time to actually buy those things as well. Keep the track of your expenses, like if you're losing money or something like this. So tracking the financial health of your business, either you're losing money, what was your previous month's revenue, what is your this month revenue as well. This is something which is very important, which can help you to determine if you need to make any changes inside your businesses. Keeping the accurate record for your future investors, if you're going to raise money and if you're going to get a loan or something for your bank, it's very, very important as well. How fast your business is growing. Bookkeeping can help you with all those things as well. Okay, when we are an e-commerce seller, when we launch a product, we often really struggle to have a right price strategy, like how much we sell our product for. And if we don't know our expenses, if we don't know our overheads, sometimes we come up with a price which might not be profitable at the end of the day. So if you have a regular bookkeeping and you keep the record of each and everything, this is the only way you will know that the price that you have for your product is going to be the profitable for your business. Otherwise, how do you know you're covering your cost? So the regular bookkeeping can show you if you're losing money, you are making money, and then if you have something to adjust inside your business, you can adjust it accordingly so your product will be profitable at the end of the day as well. So we say cash is king in the business. Cash flow is the key to the survival of any small business out there as well. Knowing which customer have paid, which customer haven't paid as well, how much money is coming in, how much money you're paying to your supplier, to your staff, to yourself, and then making a budget for larger investment as well. So these are all benefit of the bookkeeping. Like without it, I don't think so any businesses can survive. But not just this one. Bookkeeping, as I said earlier, is a requirement by HMRC as well for the limited companies, for the sole trader as well. And with this, you can actually prepare yourself for your tax bill at the end of the year as well. You can plan the things well in advance, so you will avoid having any kind of hiccups, like a last minute hiccups in your businesses as well. Okay, now a lot of people ask me, Zen, how should we keep a record of each and everything? What is the best solution for it? Like you can go old school, that's no problem with it. Even though my tax and everything is digital, but I want to show you if you try to keep the record of each and everything on paper, how difficult it can be. So this is just the thing sitting on my desk. Like look at this paperwork right here, and then look at this file right here as well. These are the things which are in the paper form. Once you are actually running a business, do you really have a time to actually go through all of those things as well? So having something which you can save digitally in the cloud, so you won't actually have a problem of losing anything as well. This is something which is going to be really, really helpful for your business as well. All the cloud based system where you can actually take the picture of all the invoices and all the receipt and save everything as a digital, you don't actually have any chances to lose anything. This is where the Osome come in as well. It will connect with your Amazon account. It will connect with your bank account because they are partnered with Xero as well. You can connect with a Stripe, you can connect with eBay, you can connect with Shopify as well. Let me show you the demo for the Osome App. On the first page, you have the option to ask anything from your accountant. If you click on that, or any team member from Osome as well, you can ask them any question at any time as well. You can link any file that you want to send it to them as well. So if you just go back, and then you can see all the history for the old conversation that you previously had with them. This is a very awesome way to actually keep everything at one place, and you can see what you're talking about and stuff like that. So this is on the home tab. Next, when you go to the dashboard, on the dashboard you have all the reports that you need to know, like how much the bills that you have to pay, the invoices that on to you as well, your bank account balance, everything is live here. So all the calculations and everything is going to be on this page. By this way you can actually see the overall figures, how much profit, and in the terms of how much you have to pay as well. If you go to accounting section again, all the documents and all the invoices are going to be there as well. The good thing from here as well, if they need something from you, you can just they will send you the notification inside the application that they need this specific document, and you can just simply upload that one as well. In the company tab, if we click on the company tab, you can just see underneath that you will have your date, that when your accounting period is ending and how many days are left and stuff like this as well. But the good thing right here I want to show you, this is you don't have to upload everything inside the app. This is the email which will be allocated to you. If you want to send any documents to them, you can just simply email it to them. In the file section, this is like amazing. All the invoices, everything is going to be right here. You can search the file that you are looking for. You can upload the file. If you want to upload a new file, you can make a different categories of that as well. You can search by date as well. You can filter by name as well. In the setting is just if you want to change your phone number, or you see how the team which have access to your account as well. If you want to disconnect from Xero API key and log out option and stuff like this. It's very simple to use. It is something which will make your life very, very easy. Link is inside the description. If you click on that link, you will get £100 off from Osome.